How to go live on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you will find different options. Tap on this plus option given at the bottom middle. With that your camera will open up. Now at the very bottom you'll find the option of camera, templates and live. Tap on the option live. Now from here you can easily go live. All you have to do is tap on this option of go live. With that, countdown will start and you will be live on TikTok. At the top you'll see this option of add a title. You can give a title to your live as well as you can add topic. You can add a live goal. Also you'll find different options as flip, beauty, effects, settings. You can just customize all of these options for your live. After you customize all of these settings, you can tap on the option go live. With that you will be live on TikTok. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily go live on TikTok. If you guys find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.